Hi, welcome to mathematics question, and the question is related to operator replacement. This type of question is asked in SSC CGL, and this is the question from 2024. Pause the video, try this question, then we'll look at the solution. Hope you have got the right answer. Let's look at the solution. For these type of questions, all you have to do is apply the BODMAS rules, that is bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. This is the BODMAS rule that you have to apply, and you have to be quick enough to apply all the options and get the solution, because there is no direct formula or anything else. From here what we can see is the answer should be 51, and if we see 256 is the bigger number and then smaller numbers comes up. So if we multiply, if we take multiplication here, this will increase the number, and then all other options are either divide or add or subtract, which will not increase the number, right? We need to decrease the number, and in that case taking B and C is not a feasible for in the first go. So first we will try with A, then we will try with D. First try with A. With A, if you try 256 divided by 4 gives me 64, okay, then 64 minus 9, I will not do this 9 subtraction because I need to apply the BODMAS rules. Then it gives, then the question says multiply with 3, so 9 times 3 is 27. So the equation becomes 64 minus 27, then plus is 14. So first I need to plus and then subtract. So 64 plus 14 will give me 78 minus 27 will be 51. So yes, the option A is the correct one. If option A were not the correct answer, I would have gone with option D first, then with option B and C. So this is the trick here, that you have to see the option and apply it as quick as possible, and there is no shortcut for this. Just one thing you can understand is, because this number was bigger and here it was 4, which would reduce the number with division only, not with the multiplication. That would help you, else you had to go with the options A, B, C, D all. So hope you like the solution. Please like, comment, share, and give us more such questions to solve and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.